Crypto exchanges VasiRX and BitBNS have decided to abstain from putting out advertisement amid discussion of possible regulatory clampdown of the cryptocurrency sector. To avoid luring users who do not have an understanding of virtual currencies, VasiRX has been keeping away from print and television advertisement. Founder Nischal Shetty told the exchange, one of the largest in crypto trading, will also not enter into any sponsorship deals. BitBNS has suspended the advertisement that claimed that Bitcoin fixed deposit yielded a 4-time higher return than bank deposit, according to people in the know. It passed the ad due to pressure from crypto industry stakeholders. BitBNS chief executive Gaurav Dakke confirmed the development. He said the company passed the ad, but the product was still live on the platform. Crypto exchange had flooded TV screen with the advertisement during the recent sport events like ICC T20 World Cup and Indian Premier League. People in the know said most of these entities could now turn down their claims amid increasing scrutiny of their advertisement, some of which alleged to be puffery, misleading. Critics says that ads could lure Indians into investing without being aware of the risk in an asset class notorious for wild price swings. Crypto advertisement has also emerged as an area of concern at several high-level meetings conducted this month within the government and with industry stakeholders. On Saturday, a meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi decided that attempts to mislead the youth through over-promising and non-transparent advertisement be stopped. Meanwhile, the government is working on a bill on cryptocurrency which could be introduced in Parliament during the first week of the winter session. While the Reserve Bank of India has sought a ban on virtual currencies, citing the potential risk to customers and consumers, financial marketers, the government is mulling ways to regulate the asset class and adopt middle path. Indians have already made large investment in cryptos, reported early this month. During the ICC World Cup, VasiRX revealed has roped in the top celebrities spent 50 crore. Two of them, CoinDCX and CoinSwitch Kubur, have raised large funding rounds this year that have propelled their valuation over $1 billion. We can't impose the decision on the others. I didn't see advertisement to be right at this point, so we didn't go ahead, said Shetty when asked about the blitz by other exchanges. VasiRX currently does not indulge in any TV or print advertisement with our marketing initiatives. Our goal has always been to focus on responsible marketing and spreading education among masses about crypto, he said. VasiRX, which is owned by Binance, last went on advertising spree during the Indian Premier League session in March, April and in June when it announced the partnership with Sony Live as co-presenter for a UEFA Euro football tournament. CoinSwitch, Kubur and CoinDCX did not respond to their queries, but future advertisement policy still press time Tuesday. The exchange and crypto selling platform have not reached clear consensus on guidelines for crypto advertisement. The Blockchain and the Crypto Asset Council, self-regulatory body which is the part of Internet and Mobile Association of India, has been in the process for formulating guidelines, and as the result of conversation, all exchanges issued this disclaimer in different forms during ICC T20 World Cup. But the lack of standardized disclaimers and absence of regulation or a framework around the advertisement in crypto have left the interpretation of self-regulatory guidelines up to exchange. While some have spelled out risk, the others have stuck to nearly invisible disclaimer laws for mere second in TV ads. Some companies have taken leeway in this absence of concern guidelines, advertisement products in regulated sectors claiming his returns. Aggressive advertising by crypto exchange has irked authorities previously as well. In May, that marketing push through repeated TV ads during IPL had caused banks to enforce informal restrictions on the cryptocurrencies. On Monday, Parliament Standing Committee discussed the opportunities and challenges posed by cryptocurrency with expert stakeholders. During the discussion, the panel members pointed to advertisement could entice the people to invest the violent segment.